Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this amazing miniature box. So this is for the popular game Warhammer the Old World, and this is for the Kingdom of Bretonnian Army, and this is the Knights of the Realms on foot. This box contains 20 miniatures. Looks amazing. Back of the box we can see two ways to build our regiment. So here we have our soldiers with two-handed weapons, or here with swords and shields. Two ways to build this box of miniatures, and here some of the detail, in this case for the standard bearer, and here for the champion, the first knight. So let's open this box and see how these miniatures presents to us. First of all, I would like to thanks to RS to let this video available for us. So okay, so let's open the box. And here is the goodies, our sprues. So taking everything out of the box, clear. And here we have the manual to build our regiment. Let's check this first. So just in the start, here we have 3 ways that we can build our champion. Fantastic. Also the ways that we can build our standard bearer. Lots of options. The musician here in the middle, some other characters, fantastic. So this small guide allow us to choose what type of army that we want to build, if with two-handed weapons, if just with a sword and a shield, as we can see here in this image. Now for the good stuff. No, first let's see the transfers that came in here. A lot sent transfers. Here we have our bases. So supposedly the 20 bases for our miniatures, and here we have 6 sprues. So let's see the first one. We start noticed some of the bodies, the heads with the helm. Fantastic helm, look at this one, beautiful. Also the shields are ready prepared, as you build already with the hands of the soldier. Nice. So first sprue, second sprue. Here we see it's more like the first one. I noticed by the heads, and the third sprue also have the same head. Okay, so mostly it should be to build the most of our soldiers in the regiment. So Oh, this one is different. Here we have a different helmet, supposedly for the champion, for example. A unicorn. Nice. And here we have a lot of two-handed weapons, hand weapons. Fantastic. And look at this. The base of the standard. Fantastic. And the last sprue, so is more or less identical as the last one. So a lot of options that allow us to choose the way that we like more to build our Knights of the Realm on foot. Great box, this one. And here we have all the 6 sprues, our bases, the transfers, the guide to build, and of course our box with the sample image of what we can achieve and play in our Warhammer the world. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.